Hey guys, Brian333MC here. Today we're going to be playing some Prison, and yeah, so let's just get out of F5 mode. Okay, nobody's in there. Warp. PvP maybe. Okay, really hope there's someone in there. Oh, yep. Okay, that's flat. Okay. Oh god, I'm getting wrecked. Okay, let's just try and wreck them. I've got a mouse, so that might be the thing that's actually bugging me. Because I don't normally actually use a mouse. Okay, let's just keep on just trying to kill these guys. Smash that. He's just giving me all his XP. Why are you giving me XP? I've got enough. Okay. These people. Okay, I'm basically doing a 3v1 right now. Oh, quick! Yes. I don't know. These people are okay. So I don't even know what to talk about. Oh god, that's actually, oh. Well, I'm not really, I'm actually pretty surprised. I thought I was actually at least going to get one person, but they were 3v1ing, so yeah. I need to find where the actual chests are. Okay. Section 3. Let's get some gold now, please. Okay, there's the access. I do not. Oh, don't really want to use that one now. I sort of want to use this hoe, but I'll just use the sharp V axe and then I'll definitely use the flame crack axe as well as this. And slash back. Okay, let's. This guy even gonna fight? Like, does he have any potions or something? This is weird. Okay. Somehow I'm on fire. Is it like a different guy? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh! I'm probably gonna wrap up this video there, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Bye, guys.